If your product's not showing up on page 1 of Amazon, well then it might as well not even exist. Hi everyone, I'm Lasiah from the Trivium Group, and today I'm going to break down exactly how to rank organically without wasting money, without wasting time on strategies that don't even move the needle for you. A lot of sellers think ranking is all about spending more on ads or dropping their price. But here is the truth. If you don't optimize for Amazon's algorithm the right way, you'll stay stuck on page 4 where there's absolutely no one buying. And here at Trivium, we've tested this with hundreds of brands and products. So here is the process that actually works. Number 1, keywords. Number 2, click-through rates. And number 3, conversion rates. If you get those 3 dialed in, Amazon's algorithm will reward you tremendously. So step 1 is your keyword strategy, okay? You want to be ranking for relevant, high volume keywords that your ideal customer is actually searching. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Data Dive to find what matters and to find what your competitors are ranking for as well. You want to focus on 2 to 3 high volume keywords per PPC campaign, okay? Don't overload it because 1 keyword per ad group equals clean data. And yes, make sure your listing is fully optimized. If your title, bullet points, and backend keywords don't align, you're setting yourself up to fail. And next is your click-through rate. Your click-through rate is Amazon's way of saying, do people actually care about your listing? So note this, your main image matters a lot. Test different angles and variations of a main image, okay? Add eye candy to it. It should stand out against your competitors. Your price should also be competitive, especially when launching. And your star ratings and reviews, that is crucial, of course. Okay, now you've got people clicking, but how do you make sure that they buy? This is where conversion rate comes in. Amazon is constantly watching how many people view your listing and actually check out. So some tips to improve your conversion rate is having strong premium A+ content. This equals higher trust and that equals more conversions for you. Answer objections in your bullet points. Have a frequently asked questions section in your premium A+ content. Make it easy for the customer to say, yes, I am adding this to my cart and checking out. Also use lifestyle images and videos to show the product in use. Start adding in UGC content. This is key for converting. This just paints a picture in the buyer's mind, how they could use and benefit your product. When you combine keyword targeting, solid click-through rates, and a high converting listing, Amazon wants to push you to page 1. It's not about gaming the algorithm, it's about aligning with what's already rewarding. And remember, page 1 rankings are not permanent. You have to keep testing creatives, you have to keep optimizing your listing and make sure you're minimizing your wasted ad spend in the back end. Turn off those keyword campaigns that you are not converting on. That money could be spent elsewhere to rank your listing even higher. And that is all I have for today. If this helped you make sense of ranking on Amazon with our tried and true method here at Trivium, give this video a like and drop any questions in the comments. I'll reply to them personally, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips from the Trivium team. Bye! See you on the next one.